So you want to be a dermatology nurse practitioner, and we've given you a lot of advice. Attend conference, start shadowing, sign up for this, go there, do that. You've looked at all the Google results, you've watched as many YouTube videos as you can, and it's a little bit overwhelming, and you still don't really know where to start. Well, I created the Dermatology Nurse Practitioner Starter Kit with you in mind because I was there too. And shout out to Amira for inspiring this whole idea. In this digital download, you're going to find recommendations for textbooks, journals, organizations to join, conferences to attend, and ways to get access to medical, surgical, and aesthetic education and training. Whether you are still in high school, maybe you're an undergrad, maybe you're in nursing school, in NP school, maybe you're already an NP and you want to switch specialties, maybe you're not even in healthcare yet, but you're really thinking about it, you're really curious, and you just want to know what it's like, what to expect, and you want to begin your education right now and your experience so that you can be better qualified for that first job. I invite you to click on the link in my bio in the description box to visit the virtual Preceptor shop and download your copy today. Also, refer anyone you know who may be interested. So your students, your mentees, your colleagues, maybe yourself. Let me know if you have any questions, and if you have any other ways I can help you, let me know that too.